Ignore Python multiple return value. Say I have a Python function that returns multiple values in a tuple. Is there a nice way to ignore one of the results rather than just assigning to a temporary variable? Say if I was only interested in the first value, is there a better way than this?
You can use x equals func 0 to return the first value, x equals func 1 to return the second, and so on. If you want to get multiple values at a time, use something like x, y equals func 2 column 4.
One common convention is to use a underscore as a variable name for the elements of the tuple you wish to ignore. For instance,
Remember, when you return more than one item, you are really returning a tuple. So you can do things like this.
If you're using Python tree, you can use the star before a variable on the left side of an assignment to have it be a list in unpacking.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.